Welcome to the Tamarind Learning Snap Learning Series. The following video will review how to use the in-course notebook to improve learning and connect with others by highlighting and bookmarking content and taking notes. We will start by accessing a lesson within a module and highlighting a portion of relevant text. Whatever you click and drag your cursor over will show up in yellow. To stop highlighting, release your mouse or keypad, and a text box will open. To cancel a highlight, simply click elsewhere on the page. After selecting all the desired text, hit Save without adding a note. This content is now considered bookmarked and will show up in your notebook as a bookmark. The highlighted text will show up at the top of the note in the pop-out rich text editor, which will be explained in more detail later in this video. To delete the highlight, click the highlighted text and select the trash can on the bottom left-hand side of the note editor. You can add a note to the highlighted text or bookmark within the course in 3 ways. First, after you have selected the desired text, add your thoughts to the small text box that appears once you're done highlighting. Once you are done adding additional information, hit Save. Second, you can view any existing notes attached to a highlight or add additional notes by clicking on any text that has already been highlighted. Add or edit text and then hit Save. Third, to add or edit rich text, include attachments, and share with your cohort, click the pop-up icon just to the right of the Delete button. This will open your highlighted note in a movable rich text editor. Add additional information to the note title or to the body by clicking into the text box. Hit Save at the top or the bottom of the note. This pop-up also shows you when the note was created and when it was last updated. Click the Options button on the top right, denoted with 3 vertical dots, to change note settings. Options include exporting, archiving, or deleting the note. Allowing or disallowing, sharing means that other users you have shared the note with can or cannot share with additional users. Locking the note means it cannot be edited by those who have shared access. Pinning the note keeps it at the top of the notebook. You are able to export notes to a PDF or Word document for your own reference. And finally, you can archive a note so it no longer appears or permanently delete it. When you attempt to delete a note, you will be asked to confirm. The rich text editor window also gives you access to additional tools that can enrich the learning experience. Along the way, you may find content that will be relevant to other people in your cohort group or that you want to share with an individual or advisor. Within the rich text editor, you can share your notes and highlights by selecting Share on the top left-hand side. Select the name of the cohort you want to share with, then the plus sign to add specific users, or share with the whole cohort. To delete a user from the note share, hover over their initials and click the trash can icon that appears. You may also want to add outside resources to a note to add additional context or tie in cohort learning objectives. You can do this by clicking the Add Attachment button and selecting an existing file from the file manager or uploading one from your computer using the Upload File button. You can see in the example here, the learner has highlighted text and added a money story worksheet to the lesson and shared it with the cohort group. Cohorts can also create a discussion around a shared note, adding comments and acknowledging other commenters' posts. To return to the note, select the lesson from the breadcrumb at the top of the page. That covers the essential features of the highlighting and note-taking tools. Still have questions, comments, or feedback? Reach out to us using any of the on-screen resources.